What up, boys? It's time for another review. Um, this is dark chocolate with orange peel bar. So, last time I did one of these, it was the same brand, but it was a pistachio bar. Now we got the orange peel bar. So, we got some good stuff. You know what time it is? Sweet Smile Select dark chocolate with orange peel bar. Net worth 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. I don't know what that WT means, but it's whatever. Alright. So, got this stuff. Alright. I like the dark chocolate with orange peel bar. Let's go. So, yeah, you got this. Let's open this baby up, bro. That's okay. Got the same wrapper, very nice. Okay. Got a fancy wrapper over here. I have a feeling that although it looks pretty good, I feel like I should scream at it. I don't know why. I just feel like I should scream at it for some reason. So I'm a scream at it. Oh, you suck. Wait, huh? That might not have done, hon. Oh, you suck. All right. So, yeah, let's open this thing up. It's already broken. Freaking. All right. Bro, freaking. Oh my god. All right. Now I'm gonna yell at it for breaking. Ooh, you suck. All right. So. Open. Let me smell it, home. It smells about the same as pistachio, except with a very, 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 very slight smell of orange. But we got it open. I don't know why it looks like that. I don't know why I opened it like this, but who cares? Freaking get out of there. Alright. So, we got the orange bar. Smells interesting. Doesn't really smell like anything. Alright, so I broke it. Alright, so alright. We got a piece here. Cacao plant, gotta love it. We got a piece and orange dark chocolate. Let's taste it. Okay. Well, let me. Yeah. Okay. That's not bad. Um. So the first bite I took, it was very strong orange flavor. Um. It had like a if you ever like tasted the orange peel, it kind of tasted like that, but like it tasted like a good orange, but like considering how strong that piece was, well, not that piece, but like that bite, I kind of tasted the peel too. But the second bite, I didn't really taste any peel at all. But from those two bites, it's pretty good. I'm gonna take a bite out of this one. Okay. Okay. Alright, alright. Pretty good. I like that. Okay. Um, um, I'm gonna finish this piece. Oop, there's a little orange peel looking thing. Hold on. There's a orange peel. Oh my god. Alright. There's a orange peel looking thing right there. So I'm gonna see if I can taste it like really strongly like I did the first bite. Okay. Yeah. So um so from that part right there, it tasted pretty good. I can taste the orange. It isn't too strong, but it isn't like too faint. You can taste it. It's like a nice aroma kind of thing, kind of. Except you can taste the aroma. I don't know, but pretty good. Um, I'm gonna take a bite of this one. I'm telling you, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Did you know if you turn Dakota Tire, you can save up to $150 a year on your energy bill? The lower the tariff, the lower your bill. Time cleans great for both and saves money. I'm so in. Save $150. Yeah. Um. All right. So, dang, this video's already 7 minutes long. God dang. It only felt like it's been like 2 minutes. Um. So, yeah. I give this a I give that a 7 out of 10. Um. It's very nice, very smooth. I guess the way you could say. If you like dark chocolate, I recommend this right there. Let me get a. I recommend you get that if you like dark chocolate. I got this at Dollar General. Yeah, pretty good. So, yeah, it tastes like dark chocolate, like not like full dark chocolate. I'd say probably about like 50%. It has a nice like orange flavored kind of thing to it. Like those that chocolate ball thing that's like in the shape of an orange and has like orange, not what? It has like slices in it that's like orange slices and it tastes like orange. It's kind of like that, but it's like a more faint taste, and I don't know. I just really like it. So 7 out of 10. I recommend you buy it. Again, that's what it looks like. So one more bite before I leave. Mm-hmm. Alright. I'll see you guys in another video that isn't I'll see you guys in another video that isn't pointed like this and is pointed like this because I don't use my brain. So, yeah. So yeah, see you guys later.